Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope y'all are having a great day today. So this video is just going to be a really fun video. I'm going to share with you all what I ended up purchasing while I was at Popshelf, and we're also going to be doing our first unboxing on this channel, and we're going to open up that free rewards box that I picked up at Popshelf. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so jumping into this video, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of the Popshelf rewards box, and then I'm gonna show you a few things that I picked up at the store while I was at Popshelf. Now, I uploaded a video last week, and it was kind of like a shop with me walkthrough video of this new store that is actually owned by Dollar General. Dollar General actually owns the Popshelf stores, and they are literally popping up everywhere. No pun intended. But for real, they are popping up everywhere. They're building new stores all the time. So you may have one coming near you pretty soon. And they're also doing combination stores where they're putting Popshelfs into DG Markets now. So that is really cool. So if you missed that video, definitely go check it out. But I did have a blast. They had so many cool items, cute home decor items. I couldn't believe it. I could have spent hours in there. And if I hadn't been so focused on recording the video to show you guys what the store looked like and what all was in there, I probably would have spent a lot more. But anyways, I did get out of there not spending too much money, but I can't make any promises on the next time that I go. And I'll definitely be going back because they have all of these cute Christmas home decor items, and I can't wait to see what they have. So anyways, we're going to get into this bag right here. These are the items that I did purchase. Now there's one downfall to Popshelf that I have found so far, and that is, it's kind of a biggie, but hopefully they'll fix it in the future. They don't accept coupons right now. They don't have any digital coupons available on their app. And as far as the rewards program goes, I'm not quite sure how that goes, how that works either, other than you get a free rewards box when you go on your first visit. So the coupon thing, hopefully that'll be fixed. Hopefully they'll set up some kind of digital coupons, couponing app, or at least accept insert coupons. Now, I wasn't sure when I went if they accepted insert coupons or not, but I did try a deal and the system just wasn't accepting it. Now, with that being said, I wish I would have tried a few couponing deals while I was there, but when I go back here in the next month or two, I'm definitely going to be trying more than one couponing deal. Alright guys, so here are the few items that I did pick up at Popshelf. Now, like I said, I was very busy trying to record in store and show you guys what Popshelf was all about. But I did end up picking up a few items. Here's a 4-pack of stickers. Now, these are $1. Not a great deal, but these are, you know, kind of shiny, cute, you know, more fancy stickers, I guess you could say. And if you guys watched that video, you know I was very impressed with their craft section. I love to craft, whether it's scrapbooking, crocheting, journaling, whatever. I'm a big crafter, so I was very impressed with the selection that they had at their store. So I picked up this paper pad, just some printed paper for $2. It's 36 pages. And I'm like, hey, I can use that for scrapbooking. I can put that in my journals. I can use that in my planners. So very cute. I was very happy with that. I also picked up another one, different kind. These are Spring Fling. Again, 36 pages. And if it'll let me flip through here. I haven't even like really took these out and looked at them yet. I've been saving them for this video, so you guys are kind of getting gonna get the first look with me. And then I picked up this Sunny Days paper pad for $3. There's only 24 pages in this, but again, some very cute prints and good quality paper. It doesn't seem like if you wrote on it or whatever that it would like bleed through. It's really thick paper. So there you go. 4 items. And then I picked up one of these candles, and I think that I'm guessing you can only get these at Popshelf because there's not like a brand on there or anything. So this is mahogany teakwood scent, essential oil infused. These were $3, and they had all kinds. You could get bigger ones, smaller ones. I thought this was really cute in the little jar here. It's only 1 wick, and hopefully it smells as good when it's burning as it does right now, because it smells amazing. So I picked up one of those. Like I said, $3. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then, last but not least, here was my little couponing deal. I picked up the Love Beauty and Planet lotion for $5. Now, at the time, we had this coupon for buy one, get one free. So I picked up 2, and when I went up to the register, I was like, do you guys accept coupons? And she's like, well, I don't know. Let's try it out. She had never had anybody come in wanting to use coupons. So we tried to scan it, and it wouldn't beep. It didn't do nothing. The register just would not recognize it. Now, it could have had something to do with this coupon. Like I said, when I go back, I'm definitely going to have a couple of couponing deals ready to go. Like Gain, they did carry Gain laundry detergent there. Tresemme, there's a few that I could try for sure. But anyways, I did not get to use this, so she put one of them back, and she was actually like, hey, I might even get this for myself. But anyways, I purchased this one. This is 13.5, and it was $5. And I think that that is the same ounces that we get at Dollar General for $5 on the shampoos and conditioners. So, you know, not a great deal, but anyways. I don't normally see the lotion in my area. Our Walmart does carry some of the shampoos and conditioners. Walgreens has just a couple to choose from, but I never see the lotion anywhere. So, you know, I went ahead and picked that one up. All right, guys, that's it for my little haul. In total, I spent $17.48, so $16 plus tax. You know, hey, I'm happy with it, with the few little items that I picked up, especially the crafting stuff. I'm all about crafts. So, I'm happy with that. Now, let's get into this rewards box. All right, guys, so let's open up this rewards box here really quickly. Now, like I said, if you see one of these stores opening up near you, make sure that you go to their website and sign up for their Popshelf rewards program. It just took a couple of minutes, and then they will send you an email, and it'll have a little barcode in it. And once you go to the store and you make your first purchases, then you can show the employee your email. They'll scan that barcode, and then you can choose which rewards box that you want. Now, they had different ones that you could choose from. I want to say they had like 6 or 7 different ones that you could choose from. They had this one, Spa Day. I know they had a nail one, toys, electronics. There was something for everybody. So definitely don't forget to do that. So this box I have saved for a couple of weeks now. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So let's see here. The only thing I did was slice that bottom right there, so it'd be easier to open. So let's see what we have here. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. How stinking cute. Holy cow, I did not expect, I didn't expect this. I did not expect this. Wow. Cool. So what do we have here? We've got Good Bath's May Bloom lotion. So cute little lotion I could throw in my purse. And I bet some of y'all didn't know my birthday's in May. So how lucky is that? Holy cow. Very, very cute. All right. I bet that smells good. Okay. We have another candle. So this is why she told me, hey, grab that Spa Day box. So we have Twilight Blooms. Let me see. Oh, it smells very clean. Very clean. Like clean linen. So it has fresh jasmine, warm amber, and musk. Very cool. And again, these don't have like a brand on them or anything. So they must just be like sold at Popshelf. I don't know. I've never seen this kind of packaging before. Twilight Blooms. Very cool. So now we have 2 candles we can try out and see if they smell as good when they're burning as they do when they're not. I know some candles, you know, they smell good before you burn them, and then when you do burn them, they're not so great. But anyways, what do we have here? All right, so Best Self Forward Sheet Face Mask infused with pomegranate essence. Very cool. You cannot go wrong with a face mask. Cute. All right, we have another face mask. Sit back and relax. Sheet face mask infused with lavender essence. Very cool. And hey, that goes with my lotion back there. Yeah. Very cool. And what do we have here? That's so cool. They really did it up for these rewards boxes. So we have Simply Spa. I think I've seen this brand on some Dollar Tree videos. Simply Spa. Let me know. Let me know, guys. Have you seen this before? We have Bath and Body Care Exfoliating Bath and Shower Stretch Cloth. It exfoliates, renews dull and dry skin, and for all skin types. So cool. It's just like a little bath towel, I guess. Very cool. So that's it. Look at that. How cute. They put a lot of, that's very thoughtful. Very cute. So there you go. There is our rewards box. And if you go to Popshelf and you get the Spa Day box, you're going to get something similar to what I received here. You may not get the same scents, but hey, how cute. That's very cool. I am so excited about that. Wow, very cool. And when we go back, I'm going to have my husband sign up so we can open up another rewards box. Very, very cool. How nice is that? I am very impressed with this Popshelf stores. Now, if they can just get the coupons, we'll be really good to go. So, alright guys, that's it. Like I said, don't forget to sign up for the rewards program if you see one of these stores popping up near you. Also, you want to follow them on social medias. I just recently started following them on Instagram, and I noticed when they open up new stores, they do giveaways, gift cards, all kinds of stuff to like the first 100 customers or whatever, whoever shows up. Little gift basket, gift bags, and all kinds of cool stuff. So don't forget to follow them on Instagram. I'm sure they're on Facebook too. I don't have Facebook yet, but they're definitely on Instagram. And yeah, check out their website. Very cool stuff, and I cannot wait to go back. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so go ahead and leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.